Hello, my name is Roni LaPierre. I am the technical recruiter here at GoLinks, and I just wanted to pop on really quickly and tell you guys a little bit more about how I personally use GoLinks and how it is making my day-to-day a little bit easier. So just to start off, we are here on our main GoLinks webpage. Which is a great place to kind of learn a little bit more about our product, who's using us, and some of the awards that we've won. But to go into how I use it, so go/careers is a page that I visit maybe on a daily, if not, definitely a weekly basis, to make sure that the positions that are posted reflect, the department, the team, the company needs, as well as getting enough information out to the candidates. So here you can find more information on our mission, our values, our benefits and perks. And then when you go down, learn a little bit more about the individual roles that we're looking to fill. So once I make sure that all the roles that my team is looking to fill are accurately represented, I would go over to LinkedIn to start doing some active recruiting. So go/LinkedIn is, the Go link for that. Obviously very short, very memorable. So LinkedIn, great to see here. GoLinks is the first thing on my feed. Some of the swag that we send out to our employees. But really quickly takes me exactly where I need to be. I can connect with new candidates. I can respond to messages, and I can actively recruit both passive and active candidates who are looking for new roles. So overall, GoLinks helps me get from site to site, from task to task really, really quickly, and is saving me, hours when it adds up. So it's been an awesome product that I have not only enjoyed using, but really enjoyed getting out to customers. So if anyone's seeing this and they have any additional questions on how GoLinks works and how I use it personally, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to continue to chat. Thanks, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.